Good morning, guys, and happy Vlogmas day 15. Anyway, I am so excited. I can't believe that I've been recording and uploading for 15 days straight. I'm gonna say it has been a little challenging, but super fun. I'm really enjoying it. I'm so glad I decided to do Vlogmas this year because last year I talked myself out of it. But anyway, first things first, happy Saturday. I hope you guys have a blessed day, new blessings. For today's video, I'm going to keep it super low key, and it just crossed my mind. I was like, you know what, I'm just going to vlog. It is what it is. If you like it, you watch it. If you don't, you click out. But I do have a couple things to do. My dad's Christmas gift actually came in the mail, so I have to wrap that. My mom found another homemade ornament that I made back in the day, but it needs a little hot glue. The ribbon that's attached to it to hang on the tree was a little bit loose, so I'm going to do that as well. And today I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm going to clean the house, so it's going to be a clean with me video for today. And I just thought it was so funny because growing up, Saturdays were the days that we cleaned the house. Like, everybody was home, everybody had their job, you know, the adults, the kids, and we got together and we cleaned up that house. So if you did Saturday cleanups, leave me a comment down below and let me know. Or was it like a different day of the week? Did you guys, like, was it split up? I don't know. We're a big family. There's a whole bunch of kids and my mom and my dad. So Saturdays were cleaning days. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. I'm going to blast some music. We're going to get some dusting done. I'm going to clean the bathroom and the kitchen. Okay, so I'm going to make myself a quick cup of coffee. I've already had breakfast. I've been up for a few hours. Laundry is going. Stuff is getting done. But I'm gonna make myself a cup of coffee, give myself some energy, get this house clean, and then after we are gonna run some errands. Alright, so let's get cleaning. The first thing I love to do is dust everything in the house. And for dusting, I'm very old school, so I'm going to use some furniture polish and just a rag. And that's what I use to dust all the surfaces in the house. So I get this at the Dollar General. You can get this, you can get Pledge. This is just a knockoff brand, but they all work just as well. Alright, so the last room that we have to clean is the kitchen, and for that I use my Method All-Purpose Cleaner in the scent Honey Crisp Apple. As you can see, I use it a lot. I absolutely adore this. My sister ended up buying it for me. We watch a lot of YouTube videos together, clean with me, organization, things like that. And we were wondering, like, what's the hype with this method, blah, 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 blah. So she ended up picking it up for me, and I absolutely love it. For something that's all natural, it really does, like, break down the grease. So that's what I use, you know, for the kitchen and for the bathroom and things like that. So let's get this kitchen clean because I'm ready to hit the couch. So the house is clean, I am clean, the candles are lit, it smells so good in here. I kind of thought when Etzel got home, maybe we would go out to eat. I've literally been in the house all day, but I honestly don't care because my laundry is done and the house is clean, so that means tomorrow, my Sunday, is going to be for me. I actually decided I would not be venturing out to Target or any other stores today. I'm honestly exhausted. So I'm just going to end it here for Vlogmas day 15. I am in my comfy clothes. I'm about to get on my comfy couch and I'm just going to relax for the night, guys. So thanks for coming along with me and cleaning my house. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see more clean with me videos or organization videos. Those are like my favorite things to do and I wouldn't mind sharing it with you. Just let me just let me know in the comments down below. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss a beat, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.